Contact hypersensitivity in Japanese 接触過敏症 is close to contact dermatitis 接触皮膚炎症候群 Contact hypersensitivity is a type 4 hypersensitivity. In type 4 hypersensitivity, which is also known as delayed hypersensitivity, it takes about 1 to 3 days to react after the initial connection. When reaction occurs, inflammation and cell death occur inside our body. Type 4 hypersensitivity is unique compared to other hypersensitivity. While type 1, 2, and 3 hypersensitivity are in result of antibodies like IgE. Type 4 hypersensitivity are caused by T cells. This is connected to the reason why type 4 hypersensitivity is also called delayed hypersensitivity compared to the other three, which are immediate reactions.
The first step involves the exposure to a substance that the immune system recognizes as foreign. The pathogen usually penetrates the skin and binds to proteins in the skin cells, forming new compounds that the immune system identifies as potentially harmful. Here again, we need to confirm that this reaction is caused by T cells and not antibodies. Dendritic cells and macrophages recognize the allergen and process it. They capture and present pieces of the allergen of their surface through MHC class II. This starts the immune response.
The dendritic cell migrates to nearby lymph nodes, where they interact with naive T helper cells. In response to the antigen, these T helper cells become activated and differentiate into effector T cells, particularly CD8 and CD4 positive T cells. Activated T cell release cytokines, such as interferon gamma. This recruits and activates other immune cell like macrophages to the site of exposure. This results in inflammation.
There are many example causes of contact hypersensitivity. The first is nickel allergy. Nickel is found in jewelry, watches, and buttons. This causes redness, itching, and rash. The second is latex allergy. It is caused from gloves, balloons, or medical items. This allergy causes swelling, redness, or even more severe reactions. The third is plant allergies. Plants such as poison ivy or poison oak can cause rash or blisters. If you have contact hypersensitivity, you can identify the allergen with a patch test, then avoid it as much as possible. Treatments like steroid creams or antihistamines can help manage symptoms.